Hey, y'all. I'm going to jump right into this one, but I hope this message you receive very, very well. Hope you receive this message well. I'm sending positive energy, positive thoughts. And I just want to send out this powerful message. Heal the prisoner, heal the streets. What that mean? True rehabilitation is a major cultural shift in inmates. Incarceration. Those that, I don't care if you in jail, prison, or the feds. Our brother Nipsey Hussle got cut down and he was trying to bring everybody together. He didn't care what gang you was affiliated with, where your background was from, what city you was from. It don't matter. It don't matter. How can we come together, build with each other, do business with each other, be legitimized with each other? It starts with the jails, with the prisons, with the feds. You heal the prisoners, you heal the streets. Things that go on in prison, things that go on in jails, things that go on behind those bars and incarceration spills out into the streets. I don't know how accurate it is, but I was once told that even sagging pants started in the street, or started in behind bars and came out in the streets. I know one thing is that a lot of the shot callers, a lot of the gangbangers and shot callers and the leaders, when they get behind those walls, they still call the shots. They still run that gang. They still run that organization. They still run that street fraternity, that hood sorority. They still run it behind the wall. Sometimes they run it even more behind the wall. If we can get a major cultural shift in the mindset, in the heart, in the spirit of those that are incarcerated, and have them come together. If we have them come together, now we see everybody unified, and we see the unity. For Nipsey Hussle at Crenshaw and Slauson for the Marathon clothing store, and then you had the candlelight vigil, and then you had the memorial and the funeral, and all these different gangbangers, all these different sets, all these different crews, all these different neighborhoods, everybody coming together, unified. We got to get everybody calibrated behind the wall. Imagine every single gang unified behind the wall, incarcerated, and ain't on that, killing each other, fighting each other, hurting each other, cutting each other down. Really, really a major cultural shift in the mind, heart, and spirit of the prisoners, of the inmates. Imagine if, oh my God, imagine you got Crips, Bloods, Gangster Disciples, Vice Lords, Latin Kings. Imagine every major gang and smaller gangs. I'm not leaving anybody out intentionally. I'm just getting straight to the point of whatever gang you are. Imagine if all of you started moving like the Nation of Islam or something, where it's all about peace. It's all about solidarity. It's all about unifying and uplifting the people and motivating and encouraging and inspiring and impacting and trying to make a big ass change for the people. You know what that would do? Tupac literally said, you know, right before he died, he said, in a few years, I'm going to be sitting across the table from politicians and corporate people like that. People that's really making movements for the nation, for the country. He said that he was going to have a black political party. And he got cut down. All I'm saying is, prison reform, jail reform, there should be a program in place, some procedures in place to help really unify people. People out here hurting, man. People in pain, and people, it's easy to like do the tit for tat. You took one of mine, I'm gonna take one of yours. An eye for an eye. Vengeance. So when a gang is rivaling and beefing, a lot of times it's a long history of bad blood, and they wanna set the record straight. They gotta settle the score, and they gotta get that crew back, that gang back that did whatever to whoever. And it's a never-ending cycle, a vicious cycle. People might be like, who are you to even speak on this? Man, I got family that's been in it. Deep in it. Gang leaders. And all types of stuff. I don't talk about it, but like, it's time to talk about it. It's time to talk about it. If not now, then when? We got some healing to do. I'm tired of cousins killing cousins, man. I'm tired. My family can't even have a fucking family reunion. Man, we gotta do something about that. I don't even know y'all, but y'all my family. When y'all in these different gangs, because my family be in these gangs, and then we got cousins not rocking with each other and literally hunting each other down. Kings killing kings. I did a song about this about 12 years ago called East Ave and Bemis. It's two different streets in my native hometown where literally cousins killing cousins, gangs. And I'm like, grandpa looking down on his offspring dynasty. Can't believe kings trying to cross kings, honestly. It's wild. It's wild. With that said, we gotta do something about it. We gotta do something about it today. Peace, love, smiles, truth, Galaxy. I'm Zachary. I see you. Be kind to others. Be kind to yourself first. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. Be kind to nature. The universe will support you. We're going to get these answers. We're going to keep talking about it and having these tough conversations. It ain't going to be easy, but we're going to fix this. It starts with a major cultural change. We need a major cultural change, and that's true rehabilitation on all levels. I love y'all. Peace.